Russia has claimed a major victory in its ongoing offensive, with the Russian Defense Ministry announcing the destruction of 2 US-supplied Patriot missile launchers and a radar station in Ukraine. This significant blow to Kyiv's air defense capabilities highlights Russia's strategic edge in the conflict. Russian forces achieved further successes in the Donetsk region, capturing 2 key settlements, the ministry reported Sunday. The offensive targeted Ukraine's military-industrial infrastructure, demolishing drone operator training centers and temporary deployment points in a series of precision airstrikes. Showcasing the strength of their air defenses, Russian forces intercepted 9 aerial bombs and an impressive 215 Ukrainian drones. These actions underscore Russia's ability to neutralize threats and maintain control over contested areas in Donetsk, a strategically vital region. In a separate overnight operation, Russia launched 136 Shahed drones and decoy units, alongside 4 S-300-400 missiles targeting Ukrainian military infrastructure. The scale of the attack overwhelmed Kyiv's defenses, with Russian forces pressing their advantage across multiple fronts. Ukrainian sources claimed to have downed 61 Shaheds and jammed 47 decoys, but at least 28 drones successfully struck targets across 10 locations. Debris from downed drones affected 4 additional areas, highlighting the precision and technological superiority of Russia's operations. The Russian Defense Ministry emphasized that its forces are systematically dismantling Ukraine's military capacity. By targeting critical infrastructure and Western-supplied equipment, Russia is disrupting Kyiv's ability to sustain its operations, marking a turning point in the conflict. Despite Ukraine's general staff reporting 97 combat engagements with intense fighting in the Pokrovsk direction, Russian forces repelled multiple counterattacks, demonstrating resilience and tactical dominance. The ministry reaffirmed Russia's commitment to securing its objectives and neutralizing threats in the region.